Clean my shoe! Clean my shoe now! Hey, make me look pretty! Do my hair! Do my hair now! Hey, get down! Clean my shoe! Clean my shoe now! I don't need your help!
Greetings, young one. Come and see if you're eligible for the marriage of Strongman. Come, follow me. See this beautiful meadow? Do you see Strongman out there?
Yes!
Of what is the shoulder strap made of?
A small hand!
Okay, come follow me to the tent. We shall wait until Strongman arrives. I'm afraid Strongman isn't here. Can we leave now?
Ah! You didn't make me pretty enough. You didn't like me. So bad. So terrible. So bad.
Forget it. I'm out of here.
Greetings, pretty one. Come and see if you're eligible for the marriage. See this beautiful meadow? Do you see Strongwind out there?
No?
Do you see him now?
Yes, and he is very wonderful.
With what does he draw his sled?
With the rainbow.
Of what is his bowstring?
His bowstring is the Milky Way.
Truly, you have seen him.
You've made a mistake. I'm pretty. You should love me.
Well, no. I shall punish you for the cruelty of my wife.
Ah!
Yes, and he is very wonderful.
Of what is his shoulder strap made out of? His shoulder strap is of rainbow. Okay, cut.
It just looks like dark blotches. Hold on.
Hi, I'm going to swat you in your sleep.